Start affiliate marketing today with these tips. Are you feeling like you don't know enough about affiliate marketing? If you feel like you need to expand your knowledge on affiliate marketing, then you're already on the right track. The thing about affiliate marketing is that you always need to be on the lookout for new pieces of information, so take some time to read the tips in this video about affiliate marketing. One of the biggest drawbacks in affiliate marketing is overreaching. If you are overworked, you will undoubtedly begin to fail at your task, so always remember that it's best to set micro goals for each day instead of attempting to plan your itinerary weeks or months in advance. Start on the smallest of levels, micromanaging your routine, and then you can expand as you progress. When you're leading with an advertisement as an affiliate, it's always a good idea to make a strong recommendation for one and only one product. You do not want to pitch the product to sell, you're not in the business of used cars here. Instead, recommend it by extolling the virtues of the product. Find an affiliate site that offers real-time statistics so you will be able to see how well the promotions that you are running are doing. You will be able to see the number of visitors have made their way to their site from yours, how many purchases were made, the number of sub-affiliates and your total sales monthly. With the information that you've been given in this video, you should be feeling more confident about getting into affiliate marketing. Just remember to stay positive and remember that everyone who's gotten into affiliate marketing had to start somewhere. Anyone who has become successful has expanded their knowledge and then applied that knowledge to the best of their ability. If you try your best to do the same, you will see the results. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.